Hello student, previous video we saw short answer type question 3 marks is question number 1 to 5. Please share and subscribe that video. Now in this video we'll see question number 6. Find the SCF of 612 and 1314 using prime factorization. Very simple, two numbers are given. We have to find out SCF then using the prime factorization method. So here 612 is given, so unit place or ones place 2 is there, so divide by 2. If you are dividing by 2 you will get 3 0 and 6, means see 2 3s are 6, 1 is not divisible by 2, so 0, then it's become 12, 2 6 are 12. Again here unit place 2 6 is there, so it is divisible by 2, so 2 1s are 2, then 1, then means it's become 10, 2 5s are 10 and 2 3s are 6, so 3 will come. Then see 153, here unit place 3 is there, so it is not divisible by 2. Check that 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 is divisible by 3, so this whole number means 153 is divisible by 3. If we are dividing by 3, so see here 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 51. Again 5 plus 1 6, 6 is divisible by 3, so 51 is divisible by 3. If you are dividing by 3 you will get the 17, 17 ones are 17. Then another number, that is the 1314 divided by 2. Then see here 2 6 are 12, 1 will remain 11, that 2 5s are 10, then 7. Here see 6 plus 5, here 11, 11 plus 7 18, 18 is divisible by 3, so 657 is divisible by 3. If you are dividing by 3 you will get 290. This 290 is again also divisible by 3, so 3 7s are 21 and 3 3s are, so 73 is prime number, so 73 is not divisible by any number, so 73 is ones are 73. So you are writing this number in exponent form. Here see 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 2 into 17 and 2 raised to 1 into 3 raised to 2 into 73. Now see SCF means what? You have to take the lowest exponent. Here 2 square is there and 2 raised to 1, so 2 raised to 1 means 2 will come. 3 raised to same only, 3 square or 3 square means 3 square you have to write. So here 2 into 3 6, 6 into 3 18, SCF is 18. Now here next question 7, prove that 2 minus root 3 is irrational given that root 3 is an irrational number. We have to prove this 2 minus root 3 is irrational, that we have to prove. And what is the given? Root 3 is irrational. This is the given. Now see, here we have to consider from the starting step. Here little theoretical, previous example also I told you, like this example little theoretical part is there or more theoretical part. Some steps are very less, so consider very simple, like these problems are coming. Then 2 minus root 3 is a rational number, so what is that? We can find co-prime numbers a and b. This a and b, these are the co-prime numbers. Okay, b is not equal to 0, such that co-prime numbers a and b are co-prime numbers. So why co-primes? Because if a upon b we are writing, why we are writing a upon b? Because we consider starting here, see here we consider here 2 minus root 3 is rational number. Rational number means what? We are writing in the form of a upon b, so root 2 root minus 3 equal to a upon b. If it is a upon b is a co-prime numbers, means there is a no factors, or there is a no common factors. No common factors means no, if common factors are there, then means it is a divisible, so division will come. If they are co-prime numbers, there is a no common factor, so it will remain a upon b. So a upon b is required for a rational number. Now here next step, this minus root 3 is transposing this side, so become plus 3, and a upon b is coming to this side, transposing this become minus a upon b. Then here see denominator we have to make same. So here 1 is there, so denominator is b. Here multiply by b, here multiply 1. So here see 2b minus a equal to root 3. Okay, so since a and b are integers, so a and b are integers, so we get, see here these steps means here written 2b minus a is a rational number. Actually here starting what we consider, 2 here 2b minus a upon b is a rational number. Why rational number? Because starting here we consider that here this is the given that it is a irrational, root 3 is the irrational number. Then here 2 minus root 3 is a rational number. Okay, here and root 3 is irrational number. Though he is a irrational number, 2b minus a upon b is rational number. Why? Because it is written into the a upon b form. A upon b form, so it is a rational number. But it is given that root 3 is a irrational number. In problem only it is given. So equal to root 3 means this whole number is coming the irrational number. Understood here? See 2b minus a upon b equal to root 3. So 2b minus a upon b is a irrational number. So it is a irrational number. So 2 minus root 3 is a irrational number. Now next question, given that root 5 is a rational, prove that 2 root 5 minus 3 is a irrational number. Like that only we have to solve this, given that root 5 is irrational, and this also we have to 2 root 5 minus 3 is an irrational number. So let us assume that to the contrary, that root 2 root 5 minus 3 is a rational number. 2 root 5 minus 3 equal to p upon q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0, because q is upon is there. If you put 0, we can solve, infinity answer will come. Then here root 5 equal to, how it is coming, see here, this we have to solve. If you solve this, root 5 minus 3 equal to p upon q. Okay, so here 2 root 5 equal to p upon q plus 3. Okay, then here what will come this side, here denominator again same q, then here multiply by q, so p plus 3q. Okay, root 2 5, and again so root 5 equal to what, this 2 will get, this 2 multiplication is there, transposing this side, so upon it will come like this, p 3q upon 2q. So this here we got, so this is the equation 1. Since p and q are integers, so p plus 3q upon 2q is a rational number. Why rational number? Because it is in the form of p plus 3q upon 2q, means p upon q or a upon b in the form of, so it is a rational number. So root 5 is a rational number, which is contradiction as root 5 is an irrational number. Okay, hence our assumption is wrong. Hence 2 root 5 minus 3 is a rational number. Now next, prove that root 3 is an irrational number. Let us assume that contrary, that root 3 is a rational number. So we can find co-prime integers a and b are such that b is not equal to 0. So root 3 equal to a upon b. This means it is a rational in the form of rational number. So squaring the both sides, so 3 equal to a square upon 3b. 3b square equal to a square. That is the second. So 3 divides a square, but 3 is a prime. 3 divides a also. A equal to 3c for some integers. Putting this value of a into, that means 3b square equal to 9c square. Okay, squaring this, 3b square equal to 39c square. So b square equal to 3 9 square upon 3. So 3 means so b square equal to 3 square square. This means that 3 divides b square, and so 3 divides b also. So a and b has a common factor, but this contradicts namely that fact that a and b have no common factors other than 1. So this contradiction has arisen because our incorrect assumption that root 3 is a rational number. So we conclude that root 3 is a irrational number. Now 10. If SCF of two number is 18 and their product is 12,960, then find the LCM. So very simple, SCF of A and B is given 18. A into B equal A into B means product of these two number is given 12,960. Then LCM equal to, we have to find out. This is the question. So LCM equal to A into B upon SCF upon AB. So very simple, product is given 12,960, SCF is 18. So we have to divide this number. So here roughly also you can see 12,960 divided by 18. Here this both numbers can divide by 2 because very big number is there. You can solve like this, divide by 2. So here big number is there, you can do like this, otherwise orally also you can do, divided by 2. So 2 6 are 12. Okay, then 9 you are taking, 2 4 are 8, then 1, then 6, 2 8 are 16. Here 0, this 0 is remain, so you have to give the 0. Okay, and here 9 will come. This number means here already written 6,800 is okay, and divided by 9. So here you can do the again division. Okay, so division you can do, how you have to do this division. Here see, here 9 will come. See, 9 upon 6,000, 6,480 divided by 9. Have you understood how this means? This 12,960 upon 18 means if you are dividing by 2 you will get this number, and dividing means here 9 you will get. Now what will remain? 6,480 divided by 9. This you can. So here dividing by 9, so what will come? See, 6,480 divided by 9. So here first number is the 64. 64 is there. So 9 8 are 72. So 9 6 are now see here division, 6,480 divided by 9. So 9 7s are 63. So 1 will remain. 18, very simple, 18 2s are, sorry, 9 2s are 18, 0, and this 0 is coming. So here you have to use this. So 720 is the answer. LCM is 720.